Intuit Credit Karma is a popular finance app, but before you decide to buy into their services, there are some key things you need to know. Stick around as we break down 12 things that could change how you view the app compared to competitors like Mint, Personal Capital, and others. The first thing to understand is Credit Karma's main selling point. It offers free credit scores, credit reports, and monitoring. This is a major draw, especially when you compare it to other services that charge for access to this info. However, while Credit Karma gives you access to two of the major credit bureaus, other apps like Experian and even Mint can offer more detailed reports for free, so make sure you check which one works best for your needs. Next thing you should know is the app's recommendations for credit cards and loans. While this is a helpful feature for many users, it's not without its flaws. Credit Karma generates suggestions based on your credit score and financial situation, but some users feel the suggestions aren't always the most beneficial. Compare this to apps like NerdWallet, which offers more detailed filtering options for credit cards and loan products. The third thing to keep in mind is the loan offers. Credit Karma provides users with personalized loan recommendations, but they're often limited in terms of competitive rates. Some users report that they don't always find the best options available compared to other platforms, like LendingTree, where you can compare multiple offers from various lenders. The fourth thing to note is the tax filing feature. Credit Karma offers free tax filing for simple returns, but if your situation is more complex, you might find this feature lacking compared to paid alternatives like TurboTax. It's great for straightforward filings, but other apps provide more robust tools and support. Next, let's talk about how Credit Karma makes money. While the service is free, Credit Karma is supported by ads and affiliate links. They earn a commission when users apply for credit cards or loans through their recommendations. Some users may find this business model a little off-putting, especially when compared to truly free budgeting apps that don't rely on affiliate marketing. The sixth thing is the mobile app interface. It's pretty user-friendly, but not as sleek or polished as competitors like Mint, which has a more intuitive and visually engaging layout. If you're someone who values a clean interface, Mint may appeal more to you, even if Credit Karma's simplicity works for those who want just the basics. Another thing to keep in mind is the security features. Credit Karma uses bank-level encryption, which is a standard for protecting your sensitive financial data. But if you're looking for an app with enhanced security features, Personal Capital might be a better choice. They offer additional security checks, like two-factor authentication, which some people might prefer. Next up is the app's customer support. While Credit Karma offers support through email and their website's help center, users often report slower response times and less personalized service. Compared to apps like Personal Capital, which provides more direct access to financial advisors, Credit Karma falls short in this department. The ninth thing to consider is the mobile app's account syncing. Credit Karma is solid when it comes to syncing your credit information, but it's not as strong in syncing your other financial accounts, like bank accounts or investment portfolios. Apps like Mint and Personal Capital provide more comprehensive tracking, making them better options if you want a one-stop shop for all of your financial info. The 10th point is the credit score simulator. Credit Karma offers a feature that lets you see how certain actions might impact your credit score. While this is a useful tool, it's not as accurate as some might hope. It's based on estimates and doesn't always reflect real-time credit score changes as accurately as competitors like Experian's app, which has more reliable tracking features. The 11th thing to note is the credit monitoring alerts. Credit Karma sends notifications when there's activity on your credit report, which is helpful for spotting potential fraud. But if you want more advanced monitoring, you might want to look at services like LifeLock or Experian, which offer more comprehensive fraud detection and protection features. And the 12th thing to remember is the overall user experience. Credit Karma is good, but it's a very basic option compared to some of the more feature-rich competitors out there. If you're someone who needs more detailed financial planning tools, apps like Personal Capital or Mint may offer a more robust solution for tracking spending, budgeting, and investments. So, is Intuit Credit Karma